Here's an occupation that's perfect for someone with hand-eye coordination, the ability to visualize a finished product from a drawing, attention to detail, and good mechanical aptitude. Assemble those skills, and you might find yourself on the right side of a career as a siding installer. Siding installers complete the exterior assembly of buildings. They install a variety of cladding materials to separate the inside of the building from the outside and protect from elements such as wind, rain, ice, and snow. They finish it off with various kinds of trim, which can add decorative touches to the final project. To help us finish off the details of this attractive career, we talked to a siding installer working in Alberta.
Hi, my name's Richard, and I'm a siding installer. Siding installer is someone that separates the inside and the outside of the building by putting the finishing touches on the building. We use many different products such as cladding, architectural panels, flashings, and trims. My day consists of first going to the site trailer, we'll do our safety paperwork, and then we'll go out to our designated task locations. Someone can work in residential, they can work in commercial and industrial. You can also work in renovation, new construction, and fabrication shops. Isn't it 600 linear feet a day? As a siding installer, your duties would be to interpret and read blueprints, install flashing and trims cut to specified sizes, install insulation, install the finished material, drive and operate various lifts, do your QA/QC, which stands for quality assurance and quality control, as well as keep your areas neat and tidy. Other things we work on are our site safety. We try and hold our standards extremely high. Some of the skills and characteristics you need as a siding installer are dependability, accuracy, the ability to work as a team, strong communication skills, and the ability to take direction from others. Some of the physical characteristics you need as a siding installer, you need to be able to be physically fit, the ability to work at heights, and sometimes heavy lifting is required as well as working in cramped spaces. Typically our work environment is outdoors. It's extremely busy. We work in a team of 2, depending on the task. Since we work outside and our job is not seasonal, we work in many different types of weather, from the extreme heat to the extreme cold. Typically we work 40-hour work weeks, and sometimes overtime is required. There are currently no regulations in Alberta to become a siding installer. However, it's strongly encouraged to have a high school diploma as well as having strong math and English skills. It's also recommended you have your fall protection as well as your WHMIS, your Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System certificate. You can also advance as a siding installer by moving into an estimating position, a foreperson, a site inspector, or even become a self-employed person. The challenging parts as a siding installer is working under extreme tight deadlines, as you're always the last person on a trade and you're trying to close up the building, making it weather tight for everybody to do the interior work. What I find most satisfying about this career is having the ability to change the architectural landscape. If you're interested in becoming a siding installer, I highly recommend it if you love working outside, enjoy working with your hands, and love seeing a finished product that you can look back at for years to come.
If you measure up with good problem-solving skills, attach the ability to work as part of a team, and finish with being able to use materials efficiently, then you just might decide to make this your career choice. Apply a more detailed look at the career of siding installer by exploring training requirements and salary ranges in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. And put the finishing touches on your search by checking out related occupations, including architectural cladder, sheet metal worker, and carpenter. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.